Welcome back to Power Drive. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting cars of the year, the 2025 Honda S2000. It's been a long wait, but Honda has finally brought back their legendary Roadster, and let me tell you, it's worth every bit of the hype. First off, let's talk design. The 2025 S2000 stays true to its roots with a sleek, low-slung silhouette, but it's been thoroughly modernized. The front end features aggressive LED headlights with sharp daytime running lights, while the sculpted lines and aerodynamics scream performance. The rear end is just as striking, with LED taillights and a subtle spoiler that enhances downforce. It's lightweight, with a mix of aluminum and carbon fiber, keeping that perfect balance between style and function. It's everything you'd expect from an S2000, with a modern twist. Under the hood, Honda has gone all out. The 2025 S2000 packs a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a combined 350 horsepower. The hybrid system not only gives it more power but also boosts efficiency. And yes, it still revs high, honoring the legacy of the original model. The 6-speed manual transmission is still here, offering that pure driving experience enthusiasts love. But for those who prefer convenience, there's also a quick-shifting dual-clutch automatic option. Performance-wise, the 2025 S2000 is a beast. It accelerates from 0 to 60 in just under 4.5 seconds and handles like a dream, thanks to its lightweight chassis and Honda's advanced adaptive suspension system. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or hitting the track, this car delivers precision and thrills like nothing else. Inside, the cabin is driver-focused yet modern. The digital gauge cluster is crisp, displaying everything you need at a glance. The center console features a large touchscreen with Honda's latest infotainment system, offering seamless smartphone connectivity, navigation, and more. But the real magic is how Honda has kept it simple and clean, just like the original S2000. The seats are sporty and supportive, designed for spirited driving, while premium materials like Alcantara and brushed aluminum add a touch of luxury. One of the most impressive aspects of the new S2000 is how Honda has integrated hybrid technology without losing the soul of the car. The electric boost is there when you need it, but it doesn't take away from the raw, engaging experience that made the original such a legend. It's eco-conscious yet exhilarating, striking a perfect balance for today's market. The 2025 Honda S2000 is priced starting around $50,000, making it an incredible value for what it offers. Whether you're a longtime fan or a newcomer to the S2000 legacy, this car will exceed your expectations. It's a true driver's car in every sense, and Honda has nailed it with this revival. That's it for today's review on the 2025 Honda S2000. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Would you take this beauty for a spin? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews and updates from Power Drive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.